If your 2020 GMC Sierra is blowing warm air, you are not alone, as these trucks have a few very specific failure points. Over 60% of early T1 platform trucks experience AC issues due to a known weakness in the condenser design. Before you start swapping expensive parts, let's go through the systematic way to find the actual leak. Start with a visual inspection for oily residue, then verify if your compressor clutch is actually engaging. The most frequent culprit is a cracked weld on the condenser, which allows refrigerant to slowly bleed out over time. If your refrigerant levels are fine, a faulty pressure sensor or a blown relay is likely stopping the system from starting. You can handle filters and relays yourself, but opening the refrigerant lines requires professional recovery equipment. Costs vary wildly from a $100 sensor to nearly $1,000 for a full condenser replacement at the dealer. Using a manifold gauge set is the only way to accurately see if your compressor is building enough pressure. A basic OBD2 scanner and a UV leak detection kit are the best investments for diagnosing these modern GMC systems. Always remember that the pressure switch is there for a reason, so never bypass it just to force the AC to run. Check your condenser for leaks first, and if this guide helped you, hit the subscribe button for more Sierra maintenance tips.